Kid-friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Whitney from Kid Friendly TV, and today we are playing with this magical microwave. We are also learning our ABC alphabet, and we are going to do a little bit of magic. We're going to put in a letter from the alphabet into the microwave, turn it on, it's gonna do some magic, and it's gonna turn it into a surprise. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm super excited about this. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we have our alphabet letters all ready to go, and we're starting with the very first letter of the alphabet. The first letter of the alphabet is A. So let's open up our microwave, put in the letter A. All right, here we go. Are you ready for some magic? Oh my goodness! The A turned into an alligator. That is so cool. A. A is for alligator. B. Let's put it into the microwave. I wonder what it's gonna turn into. Let's close it up. Oh my goodness! Look what the letter B turned into. It's Batman. B. B is for Batman. Here is the letter C. Let's put it in the microwave and see what it turns into. Let's see. Let's turn on the microwave. Oh my goodness, look who it is. It's Chase from Paw Patrol. C. C is for Chase. The next letter is D. Whoa! The letter D turned into a dolphin. This is a really cool dolphin. D. D is for dolphin. Let's put the letter E into the microwave and see what surprise it turns into. Okay, let's close it up and turn it on. Whoa, look who it is. It's Elmo. It's Elmo from Sesame Street. That is really cool. E. E is for Elmo. The next letter of the alphabet is F. So let's put it into the microwave. Close it up. Whoa! The letter F turned into a fish. F. F is for fish. G. Let's put the letter G into the magical microwave. Oh my goodness, look what the letter G turned into. It's a giraffe. G. G is for giraffe. The next letter of the alphabet is H. Let's put it into the microwave. Whoa, it's a horse. H. is for horse. I. Check it out! It's Iron Man! That is so cool. I is for Iron Man. J. I wonder what magical surprise the J will turn into. The J turned into Jake from the Neverland Pirates. This is so cool. Jake has the sword. This is really neat. J. J is for Jake from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. K. Oh my goodness, look at this! The letter K turned into keys. K. K is for keys. The next letter of the ABC alphabet is the letter L. Whoa, look who it is! It's Lightnin McQueen from the Cars movie. That is so cool. I love Lightnin McQueen. He's one of my favorites. L. L is for Lightnin McQueen. The next letter of the alphabet is M. It's Mickey Mouse. That is so cool. The letter M turned into Mickey Mouse. M. M is for Mickey Mouse. N. I wonder what the magical microwave will turn the ABC letter N into. Let's see. Whoa, check this out. The letter N turned into Nemo from the Finding Nemo movie. That is so cool. N. N is for Nemo. The next letter of the alphabet is O. Whoa! It's an octopus! This is Hank the octopus from the Finding Dory movie. O. O is for octopus. P. I wonder what the magical microwave will turn our letter P. Whoa, look at this! Our letter P turned into Peppa Pig. P. P is for Peppa Pig. Q. Our Q turned into Queen Elsa from Frozen. Q. Q is for Queen Elsa. R. Our letter R turned into a rhinoceros. R. R is for rhinoceros. The next letter of the ABC alphabet is S. Look who it is! Our S turned into SpongeBob. I love SpongeBob. He is so silly. S. S is for SpongeBob. T. It's a tiger. Our T turned into a tiger. T. T is for tiger. U. I can't wait to see what our magical microwave turns the letter U. Whoa, look inside the microwave. It's magic. Our letter U turned into a unicorn. Look at this pretty pink unicorn from Build-A-Bear. U. U is for unicorn. The next letter of the alphabet is V. Let's put it into the magical microwave. Whoa, look at this! The letter V turned into vegetables. We have a cucumber and lettuce. V. V is for vegetables. W. Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness! It's Woody from Toy Story. I love the movie Toy Story. W. W is for Woody. X. Let's see what the magical microwave does to the letter X. Let's see what's in the microwave. Whoa! The letter X turned into an X-ray. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Let's put the letter Y into the magical microwave. The letter Y turned into the color yellow. We have a yellow rubber ducky. Quack, quack. We have a yellow triangle. And we have a yellow Lego block. Y. Y is for yellow. Here is the last letter of the ABC alphabet. Z. Let's put it into the magical microwave and do some more magic. I wonder what the magical microwave turned the letter Z. Aw, look, it's a zebra. Z. Z is for zebra. This was a lot of fun playing with the magical microwave. It was really cool to see our ABC alphabet letters turn into magical surprises. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. And please make sure you subscribe to Kid Friendly TV by clicking on subscribe down below so you don't miss out on our daily fun toy videos. We'll see you guys soon. Bye!
Eye face, it's gotta go somewhere.
Yeah, so that's payback.
Oh!